Why its work? Energy meridian, blood flow, oxygen. When we pressure on points, it's relieving chemicals in the body called endorphins and influence the nervous system. Meridians known as line of energy, Chetna Samstha, which cannot be seen by open eyes or by any media or any equipments. Let's understand this again. 5000 years ago, it has been found by explorer, traditional therapist who experienced relief of pain only by pressure on the body. Isn't that interesting? They have experienced it in war injury also. It has been mentioned in the scripts that these points on body has a connection to cosmic energy. People who was searching and developing this map on body, they saw amazing results without medicines. Obviously, it took many centuries to explore and store this knowledge. What about in India? In India, in Ayurveda, it's mentioned as Suchiveda. So, in this Suchiveda, there are marma means point has been mentioned there on body. So, it is like an acupressure also. So, let's see. This when we pressure this point, energy prana, it means a chi, urja. When chi or flow of blood flow, what happen when this flow? When blood flow, oxygen flow. Let's see this image. Over half of your blood is plasma. Solid part of your blood contains red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. RBC delivers oxygen from your lungs to your tissues. To understand this again, we are watching this image. If you could understand this image, it is really simple image. This is road, many vehicles are there. There are a check post also. A traffic police is there. Imagine this road is full of traffic, horn and crowd, not proper flow of vehicles. Imagine your blood lines, blood veins like this, a blocked traffic, and it's paining, swelling in certain area, and it is not nourishing your body or area. When you put traffic police on each post, they regulate the flow of traffic, and it is a good flow and everything works well, right? That's how it's work. I hope you got the answers. Okay everybody, let's see this image. Over half of your blood is plasma. Solid part of your blood contains red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. RBC delivers oxygen from your lungs to your tissues and organs. So, let's understand this again. Supplying oxygen and nutrients to tissues, removing waste, means blood brings waste products to the kidneys and liver. I hope you understood. It means what happens when blood is moving, what actually blood doing? Blood removing waste means blood brings waste products to the kidneys and liver so that kidneys and liver could send it further. It means excrete further through your urine and stool. See now what platelets do. Platelets clot blood at sites of injury. So, you could understand this. Blood transports hormones. Blood regulates body temperature. Blood provides the body's cells with oxygen and removes carbon dioxide. It means how much beautifully blood works. If blood is unable to do these all functions, there could be many symptoms, many diseases could occur.